everyone, Christmas is coming and Santa Claus is coming to town. Today we are going to bake some Christmas cookies. Here are all the ingredients. Look how soft this butter is. Whisk the butter until it's very smooth. You could just whisk with your hands if the butter is soft enough. Add the icing sugar and keep mixing until it's very smooth. Add in 1 egg in 2 separate goes. Don't worry if it turns a bit like scrambled eggs. Just keep mixing and trust me, it'll work out. Work on your muscles, and they'll work for you later in life. Just in case one day you might need to lift a heavy rock or a tree log, you need muscles to do that. Sift in the cake flour and let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Mix with a spatula until well combined. Guys, this is what the texture should look like. It feels like mashed potatoes. Dye 1/3 of the mixture red by using red food coloring. And we want it to be bright red like this. Put the mixture into different piping bags and we're ready to pipe. We made cute teddies with Christmas hats on. And we made some Santa hats. And Santa, aka Saint Nicholas, Frosty the Snowman with a red Christmas hat. And some super cute red mittens. We don't really need mittens for Christmas in Australia. Christmas in Australia on a scorching summer's day. Hey! Ooh, we made a pair of Santa's boots as well. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Christmas in Australia on a scorching summer's day. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a rusty old ute. Let's decorate some Christmas cookies, la 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 la. Ta-da! Oh my god, that looks so cute. We made a red-nosed Santa and he has a shiny nose. They are so buttery and crumbly, yum. Ho, ho, ho. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to check out our other Christmas videos. Links in the description. Merry Christmas from Australia on a scorching summer's day. Hey!